Now let the police a bitch. Stop grabbing me like that. Fuck.
Knock it off.
Hey,
Stop.
Stolen vehicle spotted outside a Walmart. When officers arrived, the situation quickly escalated into a violent struggle involving multiple arrests.
I'm not doing it. I'm pregnant.
get on the fucking ground and listen.
I'm pregnant. I was listening. I'm pregnant.
Get on the ground.
I'm pregnant.
Listen. Then you need to listen.
I'm
Stop.
pregnant. I was.
Stop spitting on me
I'm pregnant.
and turn around.
I'm pregnant.
Listen.
I'm pregnant. I was.
Give me your fucking hand
Oh,
and listen.
My face. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant, sir. I was listening. I'm pregnant.
Okay.
You're not listening to
If
me.
you're pregnant, then you need to listen.
I was.
Stop.
I've been trying to listen. I've been
No,
trying
you're
to
not.
Yes, I was. They even said I was listening. I'm pregnant.
Sit on your butt.
I was pregnant. Sorry, bro. Please listen.
You listen to me.
I'm trying. I
You
was listening
shush.
to you. I was listening.
you're not.
Yes, I was.
You're reaching around.
No, I
You're
wasn't.
digging.
I know you talking
Stop
later
talking.
too. I was. I was. Please help me out. Please help me out. Please.
All right.
Please help me
Stop
out.
talking. Just take some
I'm
breaths.
pregnant now.
Stand up.
Bro, stop grabbing me like that. Stop, please hold on. I told you guys I wasn't doing anything. I just told you guys to come check on my stuff. You guys
Wait right
were
here.
listening to me.
Then listen.
I was listening.
Stop talking.
No, I was.
Stop.
I listened to you. You told me to
You
listen. I
continue
was.
to talk over me.
I have a whole
So-
I told you I was listening.
You're so drunk that you can't even listen.
I'm not even drunk.
Hold
I was
on.
listening to
Hold
you,
on.
sir. Please just turn me around. I don't want you guys to
Okay,
put my stomach
look at
on
me.
the car.
Do not talk. Just listen. Deep breaths. No talking. Nope. Deep breaths.
I don't want my kid to die.
Deep breaths. No talking. Listen.
I don't want my kid to die.
Then you should have listened.
I was.
Stop talking.
I was. He's the only one that arrested me. I was listening.
You continue to talk.
Because he
Stop.
slammed me on my stomach.
That was me.
I tried to tell
So
you guys I
stop.
was listening. I didn't refuse.
Stop.
I was listening. Was I not listening?
Do you speak English?
I do. Yes.
So stop talking.
But I
Okay?
listen
Do you
to
understand
guys.
what I am
do,
saying?
But not what is it has something to do with my
All right,
kid.
you're under arrest. We'll get it all
Okay.
figured out. You can talk all you want. I don't
I
really
don't.
care at this
I'm
point.
not saying.
I'm not going to ask you any questions. You're just under
I
arrest.
so many kids.
There you go. Sit down for a second.
Bro, I just lost my kid. You guys keep slapping me on my stomach.
Right now, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You're right this time, talk to lawyer, have him present with you. Why are you being questioned?
But I stuck on my head.
The fire department's coming. They're going to have all that stuff.
You guys just slammed me on my.
Can I finish this, please?
Yes, I'm sorry,
Thank
but
you.
it's
Nothing's bleeding. The fire.
it's like, bro, it's
fire-
like my brain is like dumping. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to blame it on you guys because I know we were wrong, but it feels like my brain is dumping. It
fire
feels the same way when I
fire
lost my
department is coming.
kid.
Okay. You cannot afford a hire lawyer when be appointed to represent you before questioning if you wish. You can decide anytime to exercise rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand those rights? I just need a yes or a no.
Yes.
Okay, with those rights in mind, you want to have a conversation with me so we can figure this all out? No?
Yes.
Yes or-
Yes,
okay. You kind of shook your head no, but then you said yes.
I do. I know. I don't
Okay,
know.
no,
I
you're
don't.
doing fine. Take a deep breath.
No.
Okay, the
This
fire-
guy lost my baby in the first. I don't want to lose my baby.
Sit down.
Again.
How-
I don't want to lose.
Sit down.
I'm pregnant. No.
How far along are you?
We just not even 3 weeks ago.
Okay.
I don't
What
want to
is-
lose my baby.
What is your last name? Do you remember waving at me in the stolen car?
I
Yeah.
have a twin sister. It probably wasn't.
No, no, it wasn't. You're the one waving at me on my body
I have an
camera.
identical twin sister.
Wearing the same jacket as you?
Today?
Yeah.
I promise. I don't
Oh,
do that.
100%.
I promise you. I don't ever play like that.
I'll watch-
I'm
I'll
not
sh-
trying to leave.
It's fine,
I
I'll
just
show you.
want
Walk
you.
around. I need you
Sorry,
safe.
because I want you to lose it a little
Okay.
bit. I don't
We're
want to
not
lose.
doing
I
that.
don't want to lose my
Listen to
baby.
my partner, please.
Okay, I'm trying
Which
to,
one
but
was
please
your-
don't put. Oh, I don't want to lose my baby. I already lost a baby.
I can't talk to you. It's fine.
So can you guys let me know what I did?
I can try to hear me out.
Can you please at least put? Can you let these loose or at least
I
I'm
can,
not
I
gonna
can
run,
absolutely,
I promise you.
I can absolutely listen to them, but you gotta calm down.
Trying to, but
Take some
everybody.
deep breaths.
I'm here by
know.
myself. What else can I do?
No, there's 2 other people with you. You're just separate for now, okay? So step out, I'll
Please,
listen.
you guys can
Hold on.
both stay right here, but please let
Yes,
me go.
listen.
Please.
You gotta listen or I can't help you, okay? Hold on, listen to me. Okay? I will talk to my partner with whether or not you get charged with the stuff that's in there, okay? Listen.
Can you please please at least put them in front.
I can't.
You can't.
I can't. It's the rules. Every state that nobody can put
Okay, can you at least pull this in front of me and wipe off
You want
my lips?
your jacket? There you go. You want it up on your shoulder so it's a little more comfortable or down?
Let me know what
Take some deep breaths.
Every time. I'm not gonna lie, this is the second time you came in front of my face. I'm the only one that did something wrong.
No, they're all good. They're going for worse stuff. Okay. The issue that we're running into. Sorry, nothing's working on my thing. We've had a bad night. Listen. You're in a stolen car. There's joyriding downtown. You guys ran from Tacoma in the Safeway parking lot. You ran from me southbound, South Tacoma way, where you guys got on I-5 and all that stuff. You literally, no offense, but it's on my body camera. I don't think it was a wave. It looked like you were flashing some sort of gang sign or something at me when you guys literally took off from me right before the pursuit started.
Bro, when that happened?
82nd South Tacoma way.
Oh, and I said
that one where you looked.
that.
I know, but it's and you're not getting charged with that. But here's the deal.
Oh, I said that, bro. I know,
but there's and then we come here, the whole group with other stolen cars. Then we're robbing from the Walmart. Everybody's running. The cop comes up, says, "Hey, stop!" Then you got the poor cop who's just trying to do his damn job to go home to his family. Now has to fight with 3 of you. Nobody's listening. No offense, but here's the deal, right? Whoever the dude is in the gray, he's fighting for his life. You got 3 cops.
No, can I please go talk to him, please, real fast? That's my baby daddy.
He's fine.
Please, no, can I please talk to him?
He is fighting.
I'll go to jail, but please let me talk to him.
You can probably.
I'm pregnant with his baby right now.
Please,
Please, I'm going to do what you're saying.
I will see what I can do. But he's already worked up and all pissed off, so we're trying to keep everything calm.
Because you guys have me. He's not going to.
Well, he needs to learn to be an adult. When the police say stop, you stop.
He's older than me.
If you all had stopped, said, we give up, we're done.
That's what I did. That's why I was confused on why you guys are controlling me, because I stopped. Please just let me talk to him for a second.
We'll see what I can do. I'm going to close the door for a second. Let me put the seatbelt on you just in case some crazy drunk comes in the parking lot and hits you. So unfortunately, 3 of you are going to go to jail because you guys got caught and your actions have consequences. You are going to jail today. I don't know what you're going to be charged with. I'll talk to my partner and we'll figure it out. All right, let me go talk to my partner. Take some deep breaths.
No, bro, no.
Hey, Dustin.
Hey, stop acting like a little 5-year-old.
Oh, then get the off. What do I do?
You're under arrest.
What do I do?
I got my car right
For what?
During it, there was an advice if you need fire to step it up. They were already advised. No, fires in routine, but we do need them. We have 3 in custody.
You want to put them in the car?
You continue to talk the other 2.
So you going in the car?
Stop grabbing me like that. Get off me like that. Hold on, stop grabbing. You guys are Lakewood police.
Yeah, and you're in Lakewood.
Lakewood? No, we're not. You're
Yeah,
in
you
Tacoma.
are. No,
We're in
you're in
Tacoma.
Lakewood.
This is Lakewood. You're in Tacoma. Or you guys are trying to come on police.
Get out of our
Stop
face,
grabbing me
bro.
like that. What's that? Stop grabbing me like this. It's not Lakewood police.
Hey, young man, listen up.
It's not Lakewood police.
Knock it off. Knock it
Stop
off.
grabbing me like that.
Knock it off.
Hey,
Stop.
quit it.
Hey, someone give me a spit hood.
Josh, yes, the hood.
29, 28, you got a wrap. Hey, here's the deal. You're gonna wear a spit hood because you can't figure out how not to spit on humans. Okay? So stay right here because I'm afraid you're gonna spit on me again. Okay? You're under arrest. For what? For what? For what?
My teeth.
For spitting on me.
My teeth.
There you go. That works.
Salt 3.
Okay. Yeah, that's a felony for spitting on me.
I didn't speak.
You want to bet?
Right here on my camera. Where's the bake on my arm? I swear to God.
Good. Find a car for this hero. Once we're done taking all the stolen property off our. You understand me? I don't know where you think this is appropriate behavior. Okay? How old are you? How old are you? That's fine. You don't have to tell us how old you are. You're going to go to Raymond Hall today. You'll get booked as John Doe. Until you're ready to identify yourself, you'll sit in Raymond Hall. How does that sound? Perfect. When we run around in stolen cars, we fight with the police. Stop talking.
Goofy, huh?
Listen.
You're goofy.
Okay, good. Now that you're in custody and everything's all dandy, why don't you calm down?
I didn't do nothing.
First of all,
Name one thing I did. I just want you to name
you're
one.
drunk. First of all.
I'm drunk.
Yeah, yes, you are. I can tell by your voice and the slurring of your words and things like
Did I
that.
drive anything? Did I drive?
No, but you're underage, right? So that affects your
No, I'm
behavior.
not. No, I'm not. I'm 19. I'm
19. How old do you have to be to drink?
Thank you. I'm 19.
How old do you have to be?
I'm 19.
21. You're
I'm
underage.
19. I'm 19. I'm
Good.
19.
Perfect.
Ask my mom. I'm 19.
Good.
Thank you.
Then at 19, you're not allowed to be impaired by intoxicants.
Call my mom. Call my mom right now.
No, you're 19. We don't call mom.
253. Call. Look. You call right now. I'm 19. I'm 19. Come on.
Okay. So at 19, you'll be going to Nisqually jail today.
I did not do nothing at all. Name one thing I did. Name one thing I did. Name one thing. I didn't even steal nothing. So name one thing I did. I went to the bathroom.
Okay, listen.
I went to the bathroom.
Okay.
All I did was go to the bathroom. If I'm going to jail, go to the bathroom, I guess I'm going to jail because I didn't do nothing at all.
Okay, good.
I went to the bathroom.
Then all of this must be a big misunderstanding, right? Okay. Unfortunately, that's not the case today.
Can you shut the door?
Okay.
I didn't do nothing at all.
Okay. Are you injured as a result of today's events?
Yes.
What is your injury?
My elbows and my knees.
Okay. That's because you fought with the police. The fire department's on the way and they'll evaluate you, okay? But you're going to go to jail. What is your age?
Can you take this off? I literally got to spit. I cannot spit with this on.
I don't care. Spitting is not a requirement to sustain life. Okay, you spit at me.
No, I did not.
Oh, want to bet? I bet it might even be on me.
I bet.
It might even be on me because I got the whole thing on camera.
How much? I bet you it's on camera, and I bet I didn't spit on you. I bet. I promise. I promise to God I didn't spit.
That's why you can't drink until you're 21 because you make stupid decisions. Because you're not ready to. You're not ready to.
Can you shut the door? Because I promise you, I'm gonna get on nothing because I didn't do that.
Perfect.
So shut the door. So shut the door.
Are you willing to identify yourself?
No. Shut the door.
You're not going to identify yourself?
Shut the door.
Okay, good. No.
I will literally say my name and everything. I did not do nothing.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish, and you can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. Because I don't know if you're a juvenile under the age of 18 or not.
I'm sitting there telling you, I was in the past. I went to the bathroom. You guys caught me at the bathroom.
I'm not asking you that. I'm asking you what your age is, what your name and date of birth is.
My name is Aaron Kewan Richard.
Aaron Kewan Richard.
I'm 19.
What is your birthday, Aaron?
I'm 19. September 24.
September 24, what year?
2005.
2005.
I'm 19. September 24.
2005. So at 19, just so you know, you're going to go to Nisqually jail today. That's where you're going to go, okay?
Shut the door. Shut the door.
Was it Aaron Richards?
Shut the door.
I would like to confirm with you.
I don't care. Shut the door.
Is it AAR?
Shut the door. I don't give a Shut the door. Shut the door.
Okay.
I don't care. I'm not answering that you said. Shut the door.
So...
Shut the door.
I'm going to give you one more opportunity.
I don't care. Shut the door.
Are you willing to identify
yourself? Shut the door.
Okay, I guess not. Well, let's send you down there as John Doe. Hey, my name's Sergeant Zulugar. I'm the supervisor tonight, okay? I'm not here to ask any questions about the incident. I want to make sure that if you have injuries, I can document them. Are you injured anywhere? No. Okay. Can I take pictures just so that I can capture that you do or do not have any injuries?
Okay, when they smash my face to the ground, I don't care.
Okay, so do you have injuries on your face as a result of that?
I don't know. I haven't been able to see.
No, I'm not going to shine my light in your eye. I just want to see your face. Okay. It looks like you do have a little bit of a swollen lip a little bit, so I'm going to grab a picture of that. That way we can document that, okay?
I didn't do it. They did it.
I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that you do have a swollen lip, and so I want to be able to document that, okay? Do you have any other injuries or complaints of pain
I don't
anywhere?
know. I keep telling them my handcuffs hurt. They don't listen. So
Okay.
I don't care what the hell they're saying. I don't care.
So as a result of your handcuffs hurting, I get that. We'll look at those to make sure they're sized properly. But do you have any other injuries on you that you feel right now? Is there anything that the officers could have done tonight to gain your compliance?
Why they arrest me? What did I do?
Well, from what I
They
understand,
didn't see me doing anything. What did I do?
they're all shoplifting.
What did I do?
You fought with the deputy.
I didn't fight with anyone. I just told them to get.
You don't get to tell us to get away from you, especially when you commit
I didn't
crime.
tell them to get away from me.
Well, you were saying...
I never said that.
What were you about to say then?
I said, why do you have my sister? And he's like,
Okay.
get to the ground.
Okay.
Get to the ground.
So you have to obey that.
I just asked a simple question.
Okay,
Why do I
but-
got to get to the ground?
Okay. Because you guys are involved with a stolen car that left out of here. Okay. You also were stealing items out of Walmart. Okay. And you're trying to run away on foot. That's why.
But, all right.
Okay. I can't help recreate that for you, but I can only explain to you as to why that happened.
But I wasn't.
Okay.
None of that.
Okay. I get it.
I told you how I got here. I told you what I was doing.
That's fair. And I was just asking if you had any other injuries. Okay.
So I don't care.
Okay. How old are you?
I said it 4 times.
For
today.
sure, but as the supervisor that's investigating this, I don't know exactly what you told them, so I'm curious if you can retell me that. What is your birthday?
Well, ask them, see if they're lying.
I'm going to ask you because I don't want them to tell me the wrong thing. So what is your birthday?
Yeah, because I know they're lying.
Baby, so why don't we verify that? What's your birthday?
5 days. Like I told them, 5 days.
5 days. What does 5 days mean?
5 days is my birthday.
Okay. What year?
5 days.
What year were you born?
Can you listen to him?
We can do that. Yeah, absolutely. Is that going to help you remember your birthday? Why don't you do me a favor?
This girl, they
Okay.
wouldn't listen to me.
Got it. Hey, why don't you face that way so I can see your handcuffs, and I'm going to check them, and if they need to
I
be
already
adjusted...
said that they were too tight.
I
She
got
didn't
it.
listen to me.
I got
She
it.
didn't want to listen to nothing.
Well, let's take a look at them, okay?
Ow.
And this one here is also fine.
No, they're tight.
So I have my entire gloved hand that goes
Okay,
between
but
the
you're not
handcuff
gonna put them.
and the
Let me
hands.
put you in there.
I'm not saying they're
Let
built
me
for
put you in
comfort,
there.
but they
Let
are
me
built for
put you in
security.
there.
I've
Let
worn
me
them
put you
plenty
in
of
there.
times. But on the flip side of that, they are appropriately sized. So they're not going to get adjusted. Okay, so are you interested in telling us what your birthday is besides 5 days, or do you not want to do that?
My birthday is.
All right, cool. Are you over 18 or under 18?
Call my mom.
I would if I knew that you were under 18.
I didn't want to call my mom.
You're not going to call your mom. We'll call her. What is your mom's phone number? What is your mom's phone number? What's your mom's phone number?
It's in my phone, the one you took.
Well, that doesn't help. Can you tell us what it is? All right, well, we're not able to call your mom, so you're going to go, I guess, everybody else is 18, so I'm going to assume you're 18. So you're going to go to the Pierce County Jail. All right.
I already told you how it was. I told everyone everything. Why does everyone keep coming back up to me asking me the same question?
Okay, did she tell you her birthday?
Yes, I did. I promise you I did. I promise you I did. I promise you everything I love I did. Oh, my dead brother was in peace. I probably start talking
Okay, but why is it so hard to just say your birthday? It's January something of some year. What is your birthday?
5th. I just told
January 5. What year? What year?
I'm seeing cuffs. They're hurting.
The longer we sit here, the longer you have to wear them. I need to know how old you are so I can know where to take you.
17. I already told you I'm 17. No one
You're
wants to believe
17.
me.
Okay, at 17.
Okay, but no one listens.
Not a problem.
That's the case.
That's the
if you were
first time I've
listening,
heard
you would have
that.
told you I heard.
That's the first time I've heard that. So you're 17. Okay,
Okay,
perfect.
well, try to be the first time.
All right, cool. Well, you're going to go to Raymond Hall today.
Jane Doe, Aaron Kiwane Richard, and Shariah Nairi Sims were arrested. They were charged with second-degree robbery, multiple counts of assault on a police officer, resisting arrest, and obstruction.